Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're doing a pumpkin nail art. I hope you guys enjoy. I am starting with a base coat. Now I'm going to be using this color from Bettina, and it is Latte. So I'm going to do 2 coats of that. Now that it is pretty much dried, it still needs a little bit more, but I'm still gonna go on. I'm gonna be using this hollow black color in Black Magic. I did get this on a Maniology box, and I'm gonna be using this old plate. I'm gonna be using the zigzag. This one is Baldermaster L and Dish, BMXL 201. I don't know if Maniology has it. You could check it out or find something that looks alike. And we're gonna stamp it on all of our nails. And clean all the edges with some acetone. And I'm probably gonna need some acetone. Wait a moment. There you go, and clean everything out. If you want to, you can use obviously a latex barrier or those little wraps that go around your finger, so your hands don't get glittery or sticky. I'm too lazy to do that right now, so I'll take the hard way. Now I'm going to be using a MIDI Candy 00 brush and the only orange color nail polish that I have, and this one is Safety Orange from Aurora. And we're going to start doing our pumpkins. I'm going to do one in my index finger and on my ring finger. I'm going to start by creating 3 oval shapes on the tip of the nail, overlapping each other. So I'm going to do one right here. Obviously I'm going to do half of an oval shape. There you go, another oval shape right here. And another one over here. Actually, I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger because I think I did them too small. can see it's not defined yet, but we are going to use now the mistletoe color from Ella and Mila, Mistletoe Magic. And we're going to use that to create our stem for our pumpkins. With the same brush, we're going to create kind of a square little shape right here on the top. I'll just do 2 little lines, or 3, so it could be easier. Like that. And then I'm going to use the same color, and I'm going to make those little twirly things. I don't know what you call it. One on each side. Just super easy. And we're gonna let it dry. Now to define the pumpkins, I'm gonna be using a black nail polish. This one's from Maxi, the 002. And I'm gonna be taking some, and with the same brush, I have not changed the brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of black and outline the pumpkin. Do you see how I defined it better? Yep. Now let me do this one. This pumpkin is way bigger. I think I'm gonna define also the little stem. They come out nice. And we're gonna finish everything with a top coat. I think I'm gonna be using the, wait a second. I decided to use the smudge free top coat because once I started with the other one, it started smudging. So I don't want that. We're all done. Here are the final results. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you recreate this look. Make sure to tag me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!